Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I did my pink ombre curls and just do a little review on the products that I used. So if you want to know what I used and how I used it, keep on watching. So the products I used are from Crown Paint Colors, and I used two colors to complete this look. So I used FLAPANKGO, which is a hot pink, and I used Bubblegum, which is like a powder pink. I also used the clear sealant gel to seal the color. So I started off with wet hair. I already put my styler in, so right now I'm just sectioning off my hair into 3 sections. So as you can see, I divided my 3 sections into sections so it's easier to distribute the color. So as you can see, I'm starting off with FLAPANKGO, and I'm putting that close to my roots and then stopping right before I get to the end because I'm going to put Bubblegum on the end to give my hair that ombre look. So after both colors are in, I'm just going to top it with the sealant gel to seal in the colors. So after I put the sealant gel in, I'm just separating my curls just so I won't have to manipulate my hair too much once it's dry. This is a very messy process, so make sure you have a towel handy. Everything washes out though, so if you get on your clothes or get it anywhere, it's easy to clean. So this is my hair completely colored. I love how this color is so vibrant, and it colors my dark hair really bright without any bleach. So right now I'm just going to do one last go around with my hair with the sealant gel before I dry it. Alright, so these are my finished results. My hair looks defined. It is super soft, super bright. I love it. Just so you know, these colors do transfer, so to help it transfer less, I also did finish my hair off with a little bit of hairspray. And if you're wondering, this is exactly how I sleep. I don't add any products or refresher sprays or anything in the morning. I just take the scarf off, shake my hair, and go. And that is it. If you'd like to try out Crown Paint Colors, make sure you check out the description box. And also, I do have a special code for you guys, which will also be in the description box. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!